Everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with a product review of the Braumm Smart Switch. Now what this is it's a smart switch that you can put in the wall. It's not like the ones you plug into the wall. This one actually has to be hardwired into your home, like where the traditional light switch would go. It's very easy to use. It's not very difficult to install either. It has the 3 traditional wires on the back, which you'll see here in a minute, but you can pick them up. They're $21.99, and this is what you get in the box. So when you open it up, you see here you got the nice, risk of electrical shock stuff. Take that seriously. You don't want to shock yourself. So make sure you turn off the switch in your breaker box before you get ready to install this. But if you're very familiar with installing things, you can see there it's very easy. You got the remote, the ground, the hot lead wires, all that good stuff. So it should be hopefully relatively easy to install. If it's beyond your level of expertise, please get a contractor to install it so you don't hurt yourself or set your house on fire. But either way, at face value, there's not a whole lot there. You've got the switch. It's very easy to use. It's got nice responsive feedback on it. It makes a little audible clicking noise when you press the button. And the rest of the stuff in the box, you got your little caps there to put on the wires once you splice them together. And you get the installation screws, so you can put those in as well. And then you have the wall cover to go over it once you get done with the installation. So everything's all nice and included in the box. As you can see there, it's flush mounted. It looks really sharp, and it looks really nice in the bathroom too, or wherever you want to install it. I just installed mine in the bathroom. Here's the installation instructions. It tells you all about the power supply stuff. It's 15 amp max switch, so don't put it on anything higher than that. But here's some simple instructions and some safety precautions that you can use to follow along, so you can use that as a guide for installing the smart switch in your own home. All right, so it's pretty easy to set up. You need to download the Braumm app, do the registration stuff, and get it set up on your iPhone or your Android. And then you can go and you can select the model that you're going to be using. Once you do that, you can do the add your device. Now, when you add your device, first thing you want to do is press and hold the button for 10 seconds, and that's going to put it into pairing mode. And then, since this one is the Wi-Fi one, you're going to have to put your Wi-Fi router login information. It's going to have to be a 2.4 gigahertz router. It won't work with the 5 gigahertz signal. So if you only have a 5 gigahertz router, or you don't have the ability or know how to switch it over, you're going to have some issues. So it'll work with the 2.4 gigahertz signal, no problem. And that's pretty standard with a lot of these Wi-Fi connected devices. They do have a Bluetooth version, but I happen to have the Wi-Fi version. So you'll see here, you've got the little circle there with the percentage bar, and we're good to go. Very easy. Device is set up. You can name it there. I already have it named Bathroom Light because I had it set up and I reset it up so you could see this. Once it's set up, you just press the little button there, and Bob's your uncle. Easy peasy. See how quick and responsive it is? All right, so the next thing I want to do is show you how to set it up with your Google Assistant app, which is pretty easy. Go in for Add New Device. Once you do that, scroll down until you see the Braumm application. So it'll be in this long list. Scroll down and then go ahead and click on it once you see it. Once you get into this section, it's going to ask you to re-enter your username and password for the Braumm app, so it will be able to link it and connect the two together. This is what enables you to use the voice assistant and all the other stuff with your Google Assistant so that you can control it without having to use your phone. So that's pretty neat. So go ahead and click on the Braumm there and click OK there, and you're good to go. So now you have linked your Braumm device to your Google Assistant, and it's very similar to this for the Alexa process as well. You'll have to go through the setup that way, but once you set it up, you can use voice controls, and you can even still use it here in the Google Assistant. All you have to do is scroll down to where you see it, the bathroom light there, and you can turn it on and off within the Google Assistant, which is pretty cool. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the voice assistant command for the Braumm light switch. It's very easy. Once you get it set up on your Google Assistant or your Alexa device, like I just showed you on my Google Home, very easy. Okay, Google, turn the bathroom light on. And then to turn it off, same way. Okay, Google, turn the bathroom light off. Ta-da! So you can see how easy that is. It works really quick. No problems, and it's really easy to get set up, so really nice there. All right, so the last thing I want to show you is the Braumm app. Now this is where you're going to go. It's pretty neat. It shows you the outside weather conditions. It tells you what the barometer is for the outside pressure. It tells you what the temperature is and the wind, which is pretty neat. I like that they have that at the top of the app. Now you can go in, you can set everything up into different rooms, so you can turn those on or off. And then you can have it set up where you can look at each individual device, which is where I keep it because I only have the one device set up right now. And then if you want to add more devices, you go to the little smart icon on the bottom and then the little profile on the bottom right there. For me, that's where there's additional information as well. All right, so to set it up, you can do timers, which is really nice. So if you want to set up timer for the smart switch or any of the Braumm device, this is where you do it. You go in, add schedule. Since this is a light switch, you can turn it on or off, and you can have it set up to go on or off at a certain day and a certain time. And you can have it where it recurs, where it does it every day or only on certain days, or you can set it up where it's just one time a week. And it's nice to have that ability to do that, because if you want, you can turn the light on at night. So if you want to have the light for the front door come on automatically at 9 o'clock at night and then turn off at 6 o'clock in the morning, you can do it. Or night light for the kids, however you want to set it up, or even if you go out of town. So there's a lot of flexibility. It's really simple and easy to use, and I think it's really nice, especially for only $21. I've really been enjoying mine. It's easy to set up, and I like it a lot. So that's all I've got on the Braumm Smart Switch. If you got any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. As always, I'll see you guys next time.